Hey, my name is Dylan Dunkerton. I'm a student at Unity College and I'm getting a degree in wildlife conservation. I've learned that there is a big problem in America. Habitat loss is a significant issue that comes from agriculture, logging, and development in America. America has about 11% of the country preserved or protected permanently. In the background is the map of protected lands. Green is what's protected, and the red is like high risk areas of endangered or threatened species. A protected land or area is an area designated as important and protected because of its biological diversity and natural resources. It would be nice to get the percentage up to 30%. A lot of endangered species or threatened species are not in protected areas. They're on private property. So to help offset this, or to help them a little bit, some things that you could do are plant native plants such as flowers, berry bushes, or even grasses. This can help offset some of the habitat loss for your local wildlife. You could also put a fresh and clean water source, like a bird bath for drinking and bathing. You could also put out bird houses and bat houses. And another thing that you could do is volunteer to help restore local woodlands, grasslands, and coastal ecosystems. Cleaning the beaches, or even volunteering at like your local state park and helping nature trails. One last thing that you could do is write your lawmakers, like such as your senator, to let them know that this is an issue with you and to ask for maybe more protected land in your state. Last year there were 20 species that went extinct in the United States. If we don't act now, it could be late.